It's important to understand what the field of computer science is. Computer science is the field that's focused upon solving problems using the power of computing, and this goes far beyond mere coding. Regardless of a computer scientist's area of specialization, they normally share a couple things in common. Number one, they normally are natural problem solvers, and number two, they can handle the details. They do not shy away from the fine points or the minutiae. Contrary to the stereotypes that are out there, computer scientists are actually normally really good teammates and work well with one another. Because in order to solve complex technical challenges, it really does require the expertise and knowledge of many different people. No one can go it alone. It's just too complicated. So computer science is not only a high-paying, but it's also a high demand field. With all this talk of STEM recently, it's been overlooked that the majority of the current and future job openings are actually in computing. Many people see computer science and information technology as the factory work of the future. Put simply, the outlook for those who work with computers is extremely bright. Even if you don't think that you're destined to be some laptop-carrying nerd, you still need to learn about information technology. You need to know how different fields employ computing power to facilitate their work. The reality is that every field now relies upon computing to do virtually everything. So anything you learn about computers and technology will benefit you immeasurably in terms of your ability to get a job. You don't have to look far to see the impact that technology has had on nearly every sector of our economy and nearly every kind of job. Every job relies upon computers and computing systems. So you need to know about these things to be valued by employers and customers alike. Watch this video to learn just how foundational learning computer science is. It's just like learning to swim. Everyone should know how to swim. Well, in our case, everyone should know how to code and create with technology. Make sure you can answer these guided questions before moving on. When you study computer science, not only are you learning about specific technologies, programming languages, and so forth, you're also learning how to employ what's called computational thinking. Computational thinking is a problem-solving approach which focuses on reorganizing a problem so that computing can help us solve it. There are many aspects to this kind of thinking: decomposition, pattern recognition, algorithms, abstraction, etc. And computer scientists rely upon this in order to do their work. Learn more about computational thinking, a digital age skill for everyone, by watching this video. As always, make sure you can answer the guided questions before continuing on.